the number of tangents, the number of tangent to the curve x power 3 by 2 plus y power 3 by 2 is equal to 2a power 3 by 2, a is positive, which are equally inclined to the axis is dash, right. First response is 2, second response is 1, third response is 0, fourth response is 4. The number of tangent to the curve which are equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Given curve x power 3 by 2 plus y power 3 by 2 is equal to 2a power 3 by 2, a positive. The tangent equally inclined. That means the with the x and y axis same angle is here, means theta is equal to 45 degrees or 135 degrees is here. Both are the same inclined can be taken. In that case, slope is equal plus or minus 1 is here, right. So therefore, given curve is here, x power 3 by 2 plus y power 3 by 2 is equal 2a power 3 by 2 is here. Differentiate this one can be taken is here, 3 by 2 into x power whatever the half plus 3 by 2 into y power half into dy by dx equal 0 is here. From this one, slope of the tangent line dy by dx equal minus root x by minus whatever is here, root y, right. Since since the tangent line equal inclined to the coordinate axis, means dy by dx equal inclined, it means angle is equal, tan 45 or tan 135, the value dy by dx equal plus or minus 1, right. From that one, minus root x by minus root y is equal whatever is here, plus or minus 1, right. So the value is equal to root x minus root y is equal to only plus 1. Why root x positive, root y positive, right. This is minus, only minus is possible, not plus possible, that is why. So root x plus root y is equal whatever is here, positive can be taken, right. The value is equal root x is equal root y is here, y here x positive and whatever is here, y positive can be taken, root x equal root y. Substitute root x equal root y in the line given equation, x power 3 by 2 plus y power 3 by 2 is equal 2a power whatever is here 3 by 2, right. 2 into x power 3 by 2 is equal 2 into a power 3 by 2, right. Substitute the value is here, x is equal whatever is here a and y is also equal to a, right. At a comma a is the only one point can be taken is here. At only one point we draw the tangent is here. The tangent is equally inclined to the coordinate axis is here, right. Given curve equally inclined to the coordinate axis is here, how many that number of tangents are there is here. First we find the slope of the tangent, right. Slope of the tangent equally inclined to the coordinate axis means slope is equal plus or minus 1. Simplify, root x positive, root y positive, only one positive, right. Root x equal root y, at the root x equal root y means x is equal y. Substitute in the curve equation, we get x is equal to a, y is equal to a. At only one point the tangent is equally inclined to the coordinate axis is here. చూడండి, x పవర్ 3 by 2 y పవర్ 3 by 2 is equal to 2a పవర్ 3 by 2 అనే వక్రానికి ఏ బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన ఎన్ని బిందువుల వద్ద ఎన్ని స్పర్శ రేఖలు, రైట్, నిరూపక అక్షాలతో సమాన కోణాలు చేశాయని ఇచ్చిండు, రైట్. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం దీని నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు స్పర్శరేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలతోని సేమ్ ఒకే కోణం చేయాలి, సమానమైన కోణం చేయాలి. సమానమైన కోణం చేస్తుందంటే ఆ స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు +1 కానీ -1 కావాలి. కాబట్టి dy by dx ఈక్వల్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ -1. కానీ రూట్ ఎక్స్ రూట్ వై రెండు నిరూపితమైనవి కాబట్టి x పాజిటివ్ y పాజిటివ్. దీని నుంచి రూట్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్ వై వస్తుంది, అంటే y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x వస్తుంది. y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x ఏంటంటే రైట్ ఇవ్వండి సమీకరణం నుంచి x ఈక్వల్ టు a వస్తుంది. x ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంటంటే y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a కామ ఏ బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ మాత్రమే నిరూపక అక్షాలతోని సమాన కోణాలు చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి అట్లాంటి స్పర్శరేఖలు ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, if at each point of the curve y is equal to x cube minus ax square plus x plus 1, the tangent is inclined at an acute angle with the positive direction of the x-axis, then dash, right. First response is a positive, second response is a less than or equal to √3, third response is minus root 3a less than or equal to a less than or equal to root 3, fourth response is none of the above, right. At each point of the curve, the tangent inclined at an acute angle less than 90 degrees of the positive direction of the x-axis. Then what is the condition? What the condition is here? So, what the equally inclined means whatever is here, the slope must be whatever is here, positive can be taken, right. So, given equation of the curve is y is equal x cube minus ax square plus x plus 1 is here. Slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal 3x square minus 2ax plus 1. Right. So, the tangent inclined at an acute angle means is here, the slope must be whatever is here, positive. The slope must be positive means 3x square minus 2ax plus 1 is positive, and coefficient of x square is also whatever is here, positive. Coefficient of x square is also positive, implies discriminant of the quadratic expression must be less than or equal to 0. Right. So, what the discriminant is here? Minus 2a whole square minus 4 into 3 into 1 less than or equal to 0. Right. Simplifying 4a square less than or equal to 12. Right. A square less than or equal to 3. Right. A lies between minus root 3 to whatever is here plus root 3. This the a lies between minus root 3 to plus root 3 is here. What happened? If each point of the curve, the tangent is equally inclined on the acute angle is here, then what is the condition? What? Given curve, slope, so the tangent is acute angle inclined to the x-axis means slope is positive, right. We get the one quadratic expression which is positive with x coordinate x square coefficient is also positive, implies discriminant is negative. Simplifying, we get a lies between minus root 3 to plus root 3 is here. చూడండి y is equal to x cube minus ax square plus x plus 1 వక్రానికి ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ x అక్షంతోని అల్పకోణాన్ని చేస్తే 90 డిగ్రీల కంటే తక్కువ కోణం చేస్తే ఏ స్థిరాంకం a అనేది ఏ నియమాలని పాటిస్తుంది, రైట్. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం y, దాని నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు y, స్పర్శరేఖ అనేది x అక్షంతో అల్పకోణం చేస్తున్నది 90 డిగ్రీస్ కంటే ఎక్కువ, కాబట్టి dy by dx అనేది ధనాత్మకం కావాలి. ఇది వర్గ సమాసం ధనాత్మకం మరియు x స్క్వేర్ గుణకం కూడా ధనాత్మకం, కాబట్టి దీని యొక్క విశేషణ అనేది రుణాత్మకం కావాలి. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే a అనేది మైనస్ రూట్ 3 నుంచి ప్లస్ రూట్ 3 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద normal to the curve y into 1 plus x square is equal to 2 minus x, where the tangent crosses x-axis is dash. First response is 5x minus y 10 is equal to 0. Second response is x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Third response is 5x plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Right. Fourth response is x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 is here. What? The equation of the normal to the curve where the tangent cross the x-axis. Where the tangent cross the whatever is here, x-axis is here. Right. Tangent cross the x-axis means what the y value is equal to whatever is here, 0. Right. The curve crosses the y is equal to 0 is here. Y is equal to 0, substitute 0 is equal to 2 minus x is here, imply x is equal to, right. The required point is 2 comma whatever is here, 0, right. And slope of the tangent is here, right. Slope of the tangent we simplify is here, y into 2x plus dy by dx into 1 plus x square is equal to whatever is here, minus 1. From this, the slope of the tangent is here, dy by dx equal minus 1 minus 2xy by 1 plus x square is here, imply the slope of the tangent at the point 2 comma 0 is here, at the 2 comma 0 is minus 1 by 5 is here, right. So, slope of the right tangent is minus 1 by 4, right. Slope of the normal is whatever is here, 5. Therefore, the required normal equation is here, y minus 0 is equal to 5 into x minus 2 is here, right. 5x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0 is here, 5x minus y 5x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the normal, right. So, the normal equation, the normal to the curve at the curve cross the x-axis dash, right. So, curve cross the x-axis means y0, from that point we get that, right. The next find slope of the tangent dy by dx is minus 1 by 5, slope of the normal perpendicular, the value is 5. So, the normal equation we get the result. చూడండి y into 1 plus x square is equal to 2 minus x అనే వక్రం x అక్షాన్ని ఖండించే బిందువు దగ్గర అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్, వక్రం x అక్షాన్ని ఖండిస్తుందంటే y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0, దాని నుంచి x ఈక్వల్ 2 వస్తుంది. కావాల్సిన బిందువు 2,0, 2,0 వద్ద అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలంటే వాలు కావాలి. వాలు కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు కనుక్కున్నాం. స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు ఎంత వచ్చిందండి? -1/5 వచ్చింది. దీని నుంచి అభిలంబ రేఖ వాలు 5 వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే m1 into m2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ -1. దీని నుంచి అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణం y minus y1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ m into x minus x1. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే 5x minus y minus 10 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. Next question, if the tangent to the curve xy plus ax plus by is equal to 0 at the point 1,1 makes an angle tan inverse 2 with x axis, then a plus b by ab is equal to dash. Right, first response is 0, second response is 1/2, third response is -1/2, fourth response is none of the above. Right, what? The tangent to the curve at the point 1,2 makes an angle theta is equal to tan inverse 2. What relation between a and b? And find relation between a plus b by ab is equal to how much? Right, so whatever the given angle theta is equal to whatever is here, tan inverse 2 is here. Right, implies slope of the tangent m is equal tan theta is equal to is here, and given equation curve is here, xy plus ax plus by is equal 0 is here. Right, from that one, right, differentiate, we get the slope of the tangent 1 into y plus x into dy by dx is here, plus a plus b into a, right, a is here, plus b into dy by dx is equal whatever is here, 0. Right, from this simplify dy by dx equal minus of a plus 1 by b plus 1 is here. Right, right, we want at the point dy by dx is here at the point 1,1. 1,1 is here. Right, 1,1 is here. Right, 1,1 at point can be taken. 1,1 is here minus the whatever the minus a plus 1 by whatever is here, b plus 1 is here. Also 1,1 lies on the whatever is here curve. 1,y lies on the equation 1 imply 1 plus a plus b is equal to whatever is here, 0 is here. Right, a plus b is equal to what? 0 can be taken up is here. From this one, right, a plus b is equal to 0 is one equation, and tan theta slope is equal to whatever is here, slope a minus a plus 1 by b plus 1 is equal, slope is equal to y, m is equal to is here. From this simplify to a plus 2b is equal to whatever is here, 3. Right, this is the second equation, this is the first equation. Solving these two equations is here, from a is equal to 1, b is equal to is here. So required equation is here, a plus b by ab is equal to a plus b by a plus e is equal whatever is here, 1/2 can be taken up is here. Simplifying, this one can be taken up is here. Okay, right, what? The tangent to the curve at the point 1,2 makes an angle tan inverse 2 is here, then a plus b by ab is given. Right, theta is equal to whatever is here, m, tan theta is equal to is here, and the slope of the curve dy by dx at the point 1,1 is here. Right, a plus 2b is equal to whatever is here, -3. This is the one equation, and also 1,1 lies on the curve. From this one, a plus b plus 1 is equal 0. Solving these two equations is here, we get a and we get the a and b values is here. Simplifying a plus b by a minus b value is here, the value is 1/2. The second is respond answer. చూడండి, రైట్, 1,1 బిందు వద్ద xy ప్లస్ ax ప్లస్ by ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అని వక్రాన్ని గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ x అక్షంతో tan ఇన్వర్స్ 2 కోణం చేస్తే dy a ప్లస్ b by ab విలువను కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. సో x అక్షం θ కోణం చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి దాని వాలు m ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ tan θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం, దీని నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు dy by dx at the point 1,2 వద్ద దాని విలువ 2, దీని నుంచి 1 వచ్చింది. 1,1 అనేది కూడా వక్రంపై ఉన్నది, దాని నుంచి 2 వచ్చినాయి. ఈ రెండు సమీకరణలు సాధించి a, b విలువలను కనుక్కుంటే a plus b by ab is equal to 1/2 వస్తుంది. This is the correct answer. In this part, subtopic is angle between the two curves. What are the if two curves are orthogonal, then what is the condition we get can be taken. We observe that what are the angle between the two curves. How find the angle between the two curves? First find angle between two curves is defined by first to find the intersecting point. At the intersecting point, we draw the tangents. Right, angle between the tangents is defined by the angle between the two curves is here. First we find angle between the two curves is here. First we find the intersecting point. Their intersecting point is here. Find the whatever is here tangent. Slope of the tangents is here. Angle between the whatever the two tangents using that one is here. Find the angle between the two curves can be taken. Right. Suppose in this direction we discuss some of the problems is here. Right. First problem is here. If the curves x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, cut each other orthogonal. Cut each other orthogonal is here. Cut each other orthogonally. Then what is the value of a square minus b square? Right. First response is 9, second response is 400, third response is 75, fourth response is what? 41. Right. What given? Two curves are given. Right. Curves cut each and every one is orthogonal. Then what is the relation between a square minus b square is here? So we know that the two whatever is here x square by a1 square plus y square by b1 square is equal to 1 and x square by a2 square plus y square by whatever is here b2 square is equal to 1. Right. Two curves cut orthogonally is here. The one condition is here a1 square minus a2 square is equal b1 square minus b2 square is here. This is the required condition. We observe that given curves are x by a square, y by b square and this one is here, right, is equal to 5 square is equal to whatever is here 4 square. Here the a1 is a and b1 is b, a2 is 5 and b2 is whatever is here 4. The whatever the value is here a square minus 25 is equal b square minus 16 is here. Imply a square minus b square is equal to whatever is here 9. Right. 9 is the correct response. Chudandi, x square by a square, given two curves is here, cut orthogonal, what is the condition? Direct we have the one of the formula is here, x square by a1 square, y square by b1 square is equal to 1 and x square by a2 square and y square by b2 square is equal to 1, cut orthogonally. The condition a1 square minus a2 square is equal to b1 square minus b2 square. Given are the a square, b square here 5 square and 4 square, substituting we get a square minus b square is equal to 9. చూడండి x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, x square by 5 square plus y square by 4 square is equal to 1 అనే రెండు వక్రాలు లంబముగా ఖండించుకుంటే a square minus b square విలువని కనుక్కోండి. రైట్. చూడండి x square by a1 square, y square by b1 square is equal to 1, x square by a2 square, y square by b2 square is equal to 1. రెండు వక్రాలు లంబముగా ఖండించుకుంటే నియమం ఏంటండి? a1 square minus a2 square is equal b1 square minus b2 square. ఈ విలువలను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే a square minus b square is equal to 9. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, if the curves x square plus py square is equal to 1 and the qx square plus y square is equal to 1 are orthogonal to each other, is here, then what is the condition? Is here. The first condition, p minus q is equal to 2. Second condition is here 1 by p minus 1 by q is equal to 2. Third condition is here 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to minus 2 is here. Fourth condition 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to whatever is here 2. This is our fourth condition. Right. Two curves are cut orthogonally. Then what is the condition? Two curves are cut orthogonally. Right. First this is the one curve. Find the slope of the tangent line at any point. This is the second curve. Find the slope of the at any point to the tangent. Right. These two curves are perpendicular. Slopes product is equal minus 1. Simplify, we get relation between the p and q is here. So first curve is x square plus p y square is equal to 1 is here. Slope of the tangent at any point is here 2x plus whatever the 2py into dy by dx is equal to 0 is here. From that one m1 is equal to dy by dx is here. Slope of the tangent of the first curve is here minus 2x by 2py is here. And the second curve qx square plus y square is equal to 1 is here. And that one 2q into x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0 is here. Right. So the slope of the second curve tangent to the second curve is here minus 2qx by whatever is here 2y. Right. So what given is here, since the two curves are cut each orthogonally, implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. The value is here the minus x by py. right, into whatever is here, minus qx by y is equal to what, the minus 1, right. Simplifying this one is here, right. Qx square is equal minus py square is here. From this find, right, y square is equal q by pq minus whatever is here, p y square, right, and y square value substitute in the second curve or first curve, we get x square is equal minus p by pq minus whatever is here, q, right. Both values substitute in the first equation or second equation, right. First equation or second curve equation is here. Simplifying, we get is here 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to is here, right. Fourth is the answer, right. Two curves are cut orthogonally. What is the condition? Right. First curve, slope of the tangent any curve. Second curve, slope of the tangent to the at any point. Two curves are cut orthogonally. Product of slopes is equal minus 1. From this find the y square value. Substitute y square value in the first curve. We get the x square value. X square, y square is also satisfying the second equation. Simplify 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to which is the required condition. చూడండి x square plus py square is equal 1, qx square plus y square is equal 1 అనే రెండు వక్రాలు లంబంగా ఖండించుకుంటే p, qలు ఏ నియమాల్ని పాటిస్తాయని ఇచ్చిండు, రైట్. మొదటి వక్రం ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m1, రెండో వక్రం ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m2. ఈ రెండు వక్రాలు లంబంగా ఖండించినాయి కాబట్టి m1 m2 is equal minus 1. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే y స్క్వేర్ విలువ వస్తుంది. y స్క్వేర్ని మొదటి వక్రంలో రాస్తే x స్క్వేర్ విలువ వస్తుంది. అంటే x, y విలువలు రెండు వక్రాలను కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి కాబట్టి దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal రెండు నియమం వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ద యాంగిల్ between the curves, the angle between the curves, y square is equal 4x plus 4 and y square is equal 36 into 9 minus x is dash. The angle between the curves, first response 30 degrees, second response 45 degrees, third response 60 degrees, right. Fourth response is 90 degrees, right. Find the angle between two curves asking, right. First we find where the two curves are intersect. At that point we find the tangent slopes, right. Using that one find the angle between, right. First when two curves are intersecting is here, both are equal, right. Y square and y square equal, that's why 4x plus 4 must be is equal 36 into 9 minus x is here. 36 into 9 minus x is here. From this solving this one is here, right. 4x plus 4 is equal, right. 36 into 9 minus 36x is here, right. Complicating this one, x is equal to whatever is here, 8, x equal to 8 substituting, y is equal to whatever is here, plus or minus 6 is here. We have the 2 points 8 comma 6 and 8 comma whatever is here, minus 6, two intersecting point is here, right. So the whatever the curve is here, y square is equal 4x plus 4 and the y square is equal 36 into 9 minus x is here. Find the slope is here, 2y by dy by dx equal 4 is here, right. dy by dx equal whatever is here, 2 by y, and 2y into dy by dx is equal minus 36, right. And the dy by dx is equal minus 18 by whatever is here, y. Two curves are there, right. First to find the whatever is here, m1 is equal to, right. dy by dx at the point 8 comma 6 is here. At the 8 comma 6 is equal whatever is here, 1 by 3. dy by dx value m2 is here. At the point whatever 8 comma 6 is here, you get what is the minus 3, right. m1 into m2 is equal to whatever is here, minus 1, right. That's why m1 slopes of product is equal to minus 1. Two curves intersect orthogonally. Angle between the two curves is equal 90 degrees. Two curves are given, first intersecting point, slope of the tangent of the first curve, slope of the tangent of the second curve, product of slopes equal minus 1. That's why two curves are intersect orthogonally. చూడండి రెండు వక్రాలు ఇచ్చిండు, ఆ రెండు వక్రాల మధ్య కోణం కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ రెండు వక్రాలు ఏ బిందువు వద్ద దగ్గర ఖండించుకుంటాయో కనుక్కోవాలి. కాబట్టి y స్క్వేర్ రెండు సమానం చేస్తే దీన్ని సాధిస్తే x లో ఒక సమీకరణం వస్తుంది, దాని నుంచి x విలువ వస్తుంది, దాని నుంచి y విలువ వస్తుంది, x, y బిందువు రెండు బిందువులు ఉన్నాయి. ఏదైనా ఒక బిందువు తీసుకోండి, ఇది మొదటి వక్రం 8,6 వద్ద వాళ్ళు స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు కనుక్కున్నాం. రెండవ వక్రానికి 8,6 బిందు వద్ద కూడా వాళ్ళు కనుక్కున్నాం. ఈ డైరెక్ట్ వీటి వాళ్ళు లబ్ధం ఏమైందండి, -1. కాబట్టి రెండు వక్రాలు కూడా లంబంగా ఖండించుకుంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, if theta is the angle between the curves xy is equal to 2 and x square plus 4y is equal to 0. Then tan theta is equal to dash. Then tan theta is equal to dash. First response is 1, second response minus 1, third response is 2, fourth response is what? 3. Right. Find the, if theta is the angle between the two curves, then find tan theta. First given two curves, where is intersect? Right. First one xy is equal to, from that one y is equal to whatever is here 2 by x, and the second curve equation is here x square plus 4 into y is 2 by x is equal to whatever is here 0. Solving this equation is here, right. Solving this equation is here, we get x equal to minus 2. Substitute this one is here, y is equal x equal to minus 2 and y is equal to, right. This is the x cube plus x, this simplify is here, x cube is equal to minus 8, right. X equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Intersecting point is minus 2 comma whatever is here minus 1, right. So first curve is xy is equal to 1 into y plus x into dy by dx is equal to whatever is here 0. Then slope of first curve dy by dx at the point minus 2 comma 1 is here. Minus 2 comma minus 1 is here, minus 2 comma minus 1 is whatever is here, minus 1 by 2 is here. And the next second one is here, what is the second one? X square plus 4y is equal to 0, right. 2x plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to whatever is here 0. Slope of the second curve dy by dx value is here at minus 2 comma minus 1 is equal to whatever is here plus 1, right. So therefore theta is angle, tan theta is equal mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is here, right. Substituting this value is here, we get tan theta is equal to the minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is here, the value is equal, tan theta is equal to 3, that the fourth answer is correct, right. Fourth answer is m1 minus m2 is here. Simplifying, we get angle between two curves is 3. So రెండు వక్రాలు ఇచ్చిండు, వాటి మధ్య కోణం టీటా అయితే tan theta అని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు, రైట్. ఏమి ఇచ్చినాడండి ఇక్కడ, మొదటి ఫస్ట్ రెండు వక్రాలు ఖండించుకునే బిందువును కనుక్కోవాలి. కాబట్టి y వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, y వాల్యూ రెండో వక్రం రాసినాం, దాని నుంచి x వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, y వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, కావాల్సిన బిందువు వచ్చింది. మొదటి వక్రం స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m1, రెండో వక్రం స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m2. టీటా అనేది రెండు వక్రాల మధ్య కోణం అయితే tan theta ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ m1 మైనస్ m2 బై 1 ప్లస్ m1 m2. tan thetaలో m1 m2 వాల్యూ రాస్తే tan theta వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 3. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, the angle between the curves y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x is dash. The angle between the curves. So first response is tan inverse 2 root 2, second response is tan inverse 3 root 2, right. Third response is tan inverse 3 root 3 and fourth response is tan inverse 5 root 2 is here, right. Find the angle between the two curves y is equal sin x and y is equal cos x. First find intersecting point, right. What the intersecting point is here? Sin x equal cos x, right. Implies x is equal 45 degrees, pi by 4 is here. Two curves intersect is here, x equal pi by 4. So first curve is here, y is equal sin x is here. Slope of the tangent dy by dx is here at the point pi by 4. At the point whatever is here pi by 4 is right. What the cos pi by 4 is here? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 is here, right. And the second curve is y is equal cos x, right. And slope dy by dx at the point x is equal whatever is here pi by 4 is minus sin root, right, pi by 4 is here, is value is here minus 1 by whatever is here root 2. If theta is the angle between the two curves is here, then tan theta is equal m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is here, right. The value is equal to m1 value is here 1 by root 2 minus of minus 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2 is here, right. Simplifying, this value is here 2 root 2 is here. Therefore angle between the two curves theta is equal tan inverse root 2 root 2 is here, right. So therefore given two curves are there. First find intersecting point x equal pi by 4, slope of the first curve m1, slope of the second curve, slope of the tangent to the second curve m2, m1 m2 theta is angle, then tan theta formula substitute, theta is equal tan inverse root 2 is here, right. So ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రాలు y is equal sin x, cos x. ఈ రెండు వక్రాలు ఏ బిందువు వద్ద ఖండించుకుంటాయంటే, right, sin x equal cos x, x equal 45 degrees, right, x equal 45 దగ్గర రెండు వక్రాలు ఖండించుకుంటాయి. మొదటి వక్రం యొక్క స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు m1, రెండవ వక్రం యొక్క స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు m2. టీటా అనేది ఆ రెండు వక్రాల మధ్య కోణం అయితే tan θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m1 మైనస్ m2 బై 1 ప్లస్ m1 m2. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే 2√2 వస్తుంది. టీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ 2√2 ఈజ్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, the two curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to a power 3 cut orthogonally at a point, then at a point is here, then a square is equal to dash. First response is 1 by 3, second response is 1 by 2, third response is 1, fourth response is 2. Right. The two curves x is equal to y square, xy is equal to a cube cut orthogonally at the, then what the a value is here. First we solving the equations is here, where it is the intersect. Right. So what the first curve is, x is equal to y square and xy is equal to a power 3. X value is y square into y is equal to a power 3 implies y is equal to a is here. Right. Y is equal to a, substitute x is equal to a square is here. Therefore intersecting curve is here, a square comma whatever is here, a. Right. The first curve, whatever the first curve, from the first curve is here, 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx is here. Right. So then slope m1 at the point a square comma whatever is here, a is equal to whatever is here, 1 by 2y is equal to 1 by whatever is here, 2a. Then from the second one, right, 1 into y plus x into dy by dx equal whatever is here, 0. Slope of the second curve m2 is equal dy by dx at the point a square comma a is here, a square comma a is equal, the value minus y is a by a square is equal to whatever is here, minus 1 by a is here. Therefore, since the curves cut orthogonally, curves orthogonally means m1 into m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. 1 by 2a into minus 1 by a is equal to minus 1. Right. From that, a square is equal to whatever is here, 1 by 2 can be taken. Right. A square is equal to 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Right. First two curves, intersecting point, slope of the first curve, slope of the second curve. Two curves are cut orthogonally. m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Simplify, we get the a square. చూడండి, x is equal to y square, xy is equal to a cube అనే రెండు వక్రాలు లంబంగా ఖండించుకుంటే ఏ స్క్వేర్ విలువ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ రెండు వక్రాలు ఏ బిందువు వద్ద ఖండించుకుంటే కనుక్కోవాలి. రైట్. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే y is equal to a, x is equal to a square బిందువు దగ్గర ఖండించుకుంటాయి. ఈ బిందువు వద్ద మొదటి వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు m1, రెండవ వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు m2. రైట్. ఈ రెండు వక్రాలు లంబంగా ఖండించుకుంటాయని ఆల్రెడీ ఇవ్వబడింది కాబట్టి m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే a square is equal to 1 by 2. Next problem, the angle between the curves, y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 4y at the point 4 comma 4 is dash. At the point 4 comma 4 is dash. First response is tan inverse 1 by 2. Second response is tan inverse 3 by 4. The fourth one is 90 degrees. Third one is 90 degrees. Fourth one is 45 degrees. Right. Two curves. Right. Angle between two curves at the point. Point already given. That's why need not require the point is here. Only slopes can be taken. Right. First curve is y square is equal to 4x is here. 2y into dy by dx is equal to whatever is here, 4. Slope of the first, tangent to the slope of the first curve, m1 is equal to dy by dx at the point 4 comma 4 is here. At the point 4 comma 4 is equal 4 by 2 into 4 is here. Right. The value is 1 by 2. And second curve is x square is equal to 4y. 2x into 4 into dy by dx is here. Then slope m2, slope of the tangent m2, dy by dx at 4 comma 4 is here. 4 comma 4 is equal 2 into 4 by 4, the value is equal to. Therefore, if theta is the angle between the two curves is here, then tan theta is equal m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is here. 1 plus m1 m2. The value is here 1 by 2 minus 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 is here. Right. Simplifying, this value is here. The value is 3 by 4. Right. Then theta is equal tan inverse 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Right. So what? Given two curves. Find the angle between at the point is given. First find the slope of the tangent of the first curve, slope of the tangent of the second curve. We get the m1 m2. Theta is angle. And what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. We get theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Right. 4,4 బిందు వద్ద ఇవ్వబడిన రెండు వక్రాల మధ్య కోణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. బిందు ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చినాడు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ మనం ఇక్కడ వాలులు స్పర్శరేఖ వాలులు మాత్రమే కనుక్కోవాలి. మొదటి వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు m1 1/2, రెండవ వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు m2. రైట్. ఈ రెండు వక్రాల మధ్య కోణం θ అనుకుంటే tan θ సూత్రం ఏంటండి? m1 మైనస్ m2 బై 1 ప్లస్ m1 m2. రైట్. దీంట్లో సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే 3/4 కాబట్టి రెండు వక్రాల మధ్య కోణం θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ 3/4. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, angle between the tangents to the curve y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 at the points at the point 2, 0 and 3, 0 is dash. First answer is 90 degrees, third answer is 60 degrees, fourth answer is 45, third answer is 45 degrees, fourth answer is 30 degrees. What given? Find, right, given curve. 2, right, 2, 0 and 3, 0 is the 2 points on the curve. We draw the two tangents. What is the angle between the two tangents is given. Right. So what given is here? Given curve equation y square is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 is here. So slope of the tangent dy by dx equal to 2x minus 5. Slope of the tangent of the curve at the point 2, 0 is here. At the point 2, 0 is here. Alright, the value is minus 1. Right. Slope of the curve m2 dy by dx at the point 3, 0 is here. 3, 0 is 2 into 3 minus 5 is whatever the minus 1. Right. What the product of the two slopes is here? m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. That's why two slopes cut orthogonal is here. One curve is given. Right. At the point 2 points are given. Draw the tangents is here. What is the angle between the tangent? Right. Slope of the tangent first given 1 point m1. Slope of the tangent given at second point. Right. The product is naturally minus 1. That's why the two tangents, angle between the two tangents is what the 90 degrees or two tangents are perpendicular. చూడండి, y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 అనే వక్రానికి 2, 0, 3, 0 బిందువుల వద్ద రెండు స్పర్శరేఖలను గీస్తే ఆ రెండు స్పర్శరేఖల మధ్య కోణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ y ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం y. రైట్. ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy by dx. సో 2, 0 వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు, 3, 0 వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m1 ఇంటూ m2 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి ఏమొచ్చిందండి? -1. కాబట్టి రెండు స్పర్శరేఖలు లంబంగా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి స్పర్శరేఖల మధ్య కోణం 90 degrees. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, if the curves ay plus x square is equal to 7 and x cube is equal to y cut orthogonally at 1, 1 is here, then what is the a value? Then a is equal to dash. Right. First one is 2, second one is 3, third one is 4 and the fourth one is 6. Which value is correct? The curves, given two curves cut orthogonally at the point 1, 1, the a value is here. So already intersecting point is given. Right. First find the slope of the first curve, slope of the tangent to the second curve. Right. Already given orthogonally, product of slopes is equal to -1. Simplify, we get the whatever the a value is here. Right. What the first curve is here? Ay plus x square is equal to 7. Right. A into dy by dx plus 2x is equal to 0 is here. Right. So slope of the tangent m1 is equal dy by dx at the point 1, 1 is given -2 by a is here. And the second curve x cube is equal to y is here. Right. 3x square is equal dy by dx is here. Right. And the slope m2 is equal dy by dx at the point 1, 1 is here. The value is what? 3. Right. Already given the two curves are intersect orthogonally, slopes equal -1. -2 by a into 3 is equal to -1. That's why a is equal to what? 6. Right. Two curves are intersect at the point, then or orthogonally, then what the a value is here? Slope of the first curve m1, slope of the second curve m2. Two curves are intersect orthogonally, m1 m2 is equal to -1, then a value is 6. Right. రెండు వక్రాలు 1, 1 వద్ద లంబంగా ఖండించుకుంటే ఏ విలువని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ ఉమ్మడి బిందువు ఇచ్చినాడు కాబట్టి మొదటి వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు 1,1 బిందువు వద్ద కనుక్కోవాలి. రెండవ వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు 1 వద్ద 1 కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ రెండు వక్రాలు లంబంగా గణించుకున్నాయి కాబట్టి m1 m2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ -1. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 6. ఇప్పుడు అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ డెరివేటివ్లో నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్. రైట్, అవకలనాల యొక్క అనువర్తనాలలో మార్పు రేటు ఏంటిది? రైట్, we discuss the whatever is here rate of the change as derivative as the rate of the change. What is the rate of the change? How it is here? So we discuss some of the important problems in this topic is here. The first problem is here. If the distance as traveled by a particle in time t is given by s is equal t² minus 2t plus 5, then its acceleration is dash. Right, acceleration is dash. First response is 0, second response is 1, third response is 2, fourth response is 3. Right. If the distance s traveled at the time t is given by the relation, then find the asking velocity and acceleration, and relations of this one can be taken. Right. So whatever the traveled s is equal, whatever is here, t² minus 2t plus 5 is here. Right. So what the velocity v is equal ds by dt is here. What the value is here? 2t minus 2 is here. Then acceleration a is equal to whatever is here, dv by dt or d square s by dt square. Right, the value is equal 2 units is here. Right, so the whatever the acceleration is the whatever is here, 2 units can be taken. S is the given particle. Then find the sometimes velocity, sometimes acceleration. Right, velocity v is equal ds by dt and acceleration d square s by dt square is the 2 units. Right, ఒక కణం t టైంలో s is equal t² minus 2t plus 5 దూరం ప్రయాణిస్తే ఆ కణం యొక్క త్వరణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్, ఫస్ట్ ఒక కణం t టైంతో పాటు ప్రయాణించే దూరం s is equal to ఏంటండి? t² minus 2t plus 5. ఇలాంటి సమస్యలలో ఒక్కోసారి వేగము, ఒక్కోసారి త్వరణం కనుక్కోమంటాడు. ఫస్ట్ మనం వేగం ఏంటండి? v is equal ds by dt. రైట్, అదేవిధంగా త్వరణం a is equal dv by dt or d² s by dt square. రైట్, ఇవిలో 2 యూనిట్లు. త్వరణం ఏమవుతుందండి? 2 యూనిట్లు. Next question, the volume of sphere is increasing at the rate of 1200 cubic centimeter per second. 1200 cubic centimeter per second. The rate of the change, the rate of increasing in its surface area when the radius is 10 centimeters is dash. Radius is 10 centimeters is dash. First response is 120 square centimeter per second. Second response is 240 square centimeter per second. Third response is 200 square centimeter per second. Fourth response is 100 square centimeter per second. Right. So what? The volume of the sphere increase at the rate of 1200 cubic per centimeter. Then rate of increase in its surface area. When it is radius is whatever is here, 10 centimeters is here. Right, given radius of the sphere r is equal 10 centimeters is here. Right, the volume of the sphere increasing at the rate is here. So volume increasing, v is volume is here, increasing at the rate is here 1200 cubic centimeter for whatever is here second. Right, then whatever the what asking is here, increasing rate of SE surface area is here. Right, then what SE surface area is here, then ds by dt is equal to how much? This is asking question. Right, so now volume of the sphere v is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right, and surface area s is equal 4 pi r square is here. These are two formulas, right? What is the dV by dt is here? dV by dt is equal to, right, 4 by 3 pi, right, 3r square into dr by dt is here, right? This value dV by dt already given, whatever is here, 1200 is here, right? From this simplify, we get dr by dt is equal to, right, 1200 by, right, 4 by 3 pi into, right, 3 will be cancelled, 4 by 3 into r is whatever is here, 10 square can be taken, right? This simplify whatever is here, 3 by pi, right? Now surface area S is here, right? So ds by dt is equal to, right, 4 pi into 2r into dr by dt is here, right? The value is 4 pi into 2 into radius is 10. What the dr by dt is here? What happen is here? 3 by pi, right? So simplify this value is here, 240, right? Simplify this one, pi and pi will be cancelled, right? So whatever is here, 240 square centimeter for whatever is here, second. What given? Right? So radius is given, rate of volume change is given, right? Find the what is the rate of the change in surface area, right? What given is here? Volume of the sphere V is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Rate of the change in volume is given dV by dt. From this rate of the change in radius is we get, right? Rate of the change in whatever the surface area S is equal 4 pi square, right? From this dr by dt already we know, we find ds by rate of the change in surface area is equal 240 square centimeters is here. చూడండి, ఒక గోళం యొక్క ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు 1200 క్యూబిక్ ఫర్ సెంటీమీటర్స్ ద్వారా ఆరోహణ క్రమంలో ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే దాని యొక్క ఉపరితల వైశాల్యం ఏ విధంగా, రైట్, ఏ విధంగా ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆరోహణం అవుతా ఉన్నది 10 సెంటీమీటర్స్ వ్యాసార్థం ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఏమి ఇచ్చిండండి? వ్యాసార్థం ఇచ్చిండు, ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు ఇచ్చినాడు, రైట్. అయితే ఉపరితల వైశాల్యంలో మార్పు రేటు కనుక్కోవాలి. ఘనపరిమాణంలో రైట్, గోళం యొక్క ఘనపరిమాణం V is equal 4 by 3 pi r cube. దీని నుంచి dV, రైట్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఘనపరిమాణంలో మార్పు రేటు dV by dt కనుక్కోవచ్చు. దీని నుంచి వ్యాసార్థంలో మార్పు రేటు వస్తుంది. ఉపరితల వైశాల్యంలో మార్పు రేటు ds by dt కావాలి. సో dr by dt వ్యాసార్థంలో మార్పు రేటు ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నది కాబట్టి, సో ds by dt ఉపరితల వైశాల్యంలో మార్పు రేటు ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 240 square centimeters per second. Next question, the radius of a circular plate is increasing at the rate of 0.01 centimeter per second when the radius is 12 centimeters. Then the rate in which the area increases, the area increases dash, right? First response is 0.24 square centimeter per second. Second response is 60 pi, right, 0.24 pi, 60 pi square centimeter per second. And third response is 24 pi square centimeter per second. The fourth response is the 1.25 square centimeter per second. This is a given problem. What? The radius of the circle increasing at the point 0.01 when radius is 12 centimeter. Then the rate of the area increasing here, right? What given, right? So whatever the given radius r is equal to whatever is here 12 centimeters. R is equal 12 centimeters. Rate of the radius of the circular plate increasing, dr by dt is here, is equal 0.01 centimeter per second is here, right? Then rate of the change in area is here. What is the area of the circular plate? A is equal to whatever is here, pi r square is here. The rate of the change is dA by dt is equal pi into 2r dr by whatever is here, dt, right? The value is equal to, right, pi into, right, 2 into what the r is 12 into dr by dt is here 0.01 is here, right? Simplify the value is here 0.24 pi square centimeter for whatever is here, second. What given? Radius is given, rate of the change in radius is given. Find the rate of the change in whatever the area of the circular plate. A is equal pi r square. Rate of the change dA by dt is equal this one. Substitute all the values r pi dr by dt 0.01 and simplify, we get 0.24 pi, right, whatever the square centimeter per second. First response is correct, రైట్. ఒక వృత్తాకారంలో ఉన్న ప్లేట్ యొక్క 12 సెంటీమీటర్ల వ్యాసార్థం ఉన్నప్పుడు దాని వ్యాసార్థంలో మార్పు రేటు 0.01 అయితే దాని వైశాల్యంలో మార్పు రేటుని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. వృత్తాకారంలో ఉన్న ప్లేట్ వ్యాసార్థం ఆర్ ఎంత అండి? 12. దానిలో మార్పు రేటు 0.01 అయితే వైశాల్యంలో మార్పు రేటు కావాలి. వృత్తాకార ప్లేట్ యొక్క వైశాల్యానికి ఫార్ములా A = πr². దీనిలో మార్పు రేటు dA/dt క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఈ 0.24 π² cm/s. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. A particle moves along the curve y is equal to x² plus 2x. Then the point on the curve such that x and y coordinates of the particle change with the same rate is dash. Right. First answer is 1, 3. Second answer is -1/2, 5/2. And third answer is -1/2, -3/4. Fourth answer is -1, -1. The particle moving along the curve, right, such that on the x and y coordinates the particle change the same rate of change. Then at same rate of change, at which point the x and y is the same rate can be taken. Right. So what given is here? The curve equation is y is equal to x² plus 2x is here. Given the rate of the y coordinate change, rate of the x coordinate change, both are whatever is here equal. Then at which point this condition is equal. So what is the rate? This one dy/dt is equal 2x into dx/dt, right, plus 2 into dx/dt is here. Right. Given dy/dt is equal dx/dt, from that one y is equal 2x plus 2 is here. Right. X is equal whatever is here -1/2 can be taken. X equal -1/2, substitute curve is here. Y is equal -3/4 is here. Right. So at the point -1/2, -3/4, then x and y coordinates have the rate of the change, both are equal is here. Right. So what happened? y is equal to x² plus 2x అనే వక్రంపై ఒక కణం కదులుతుంది. దాంట్లో x, y నిరూపకాల యొక్క మార్పు రేటు ఏ బిందువు వద్ద సమానం అవుతుంది అని అడిగాను. రైట్. సో ఏమి ఇచ్చిందండి? వక్రం యొక్క సమీకరణం y is equal to x² plus 2x. రైట్. x, y నిరూపకాలలో మార్పు రేటు సమానం అంటే dy/dt is equal dx/dt. ఇచ్చిన వక్రం నుంచి dy/dt is equal క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసినాం. dy/dt is equal dx/dt. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x equal -1/2. x equal -1/2 వక్రంలో సమీకరణం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే y is equal -3/4. అంటే -1/2, -3/4 బిందువు వద్ద x, y నిరూపకాలలో మార్పు రేటు సమానంగా ఉంటుంది.